Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, it is class 12 and our subject is zoology and our today's topic is Klinefelter syndrome. Dear students, these all are genetical disorders or chromosomal abnormalities, or in other words we call it that they are the syndromes. Now it is the last third one, that is Klinefelter syndrome. This Klinefelter syndrome, it is a numerical abnormality in sex chromosome. A numerical abnormality in sex chromosome. Numerical abnormality, mean by numerical abnormality in sex chromosome, that is the Klinefelter syndrome is a condition with 3 X chromosomes, that is also called trisomy. That means it is a numerical abnormality in sex chromosomes, that is the condition, it is said with the condition that it is the excess of 3 chromosomes, that is the trisomy. That is the trisomy. This Klinefelter syndrome was discovered by US physician, USA physician named Harry F. Klinefelter. The discovery of this syndrome was discovered by a USA physician named Harry F. Klinefelter. That is why it is called Klinefelter syndrome. Now, what is the cause of this? The main thing is, what is the cause of this syndrome? How it is caused? This Klinefelter syndrome, how it is caused? Causes of this Klinefelter syndrome. The syndrome is caused with XY genotype. XXY genotype. This type of syndrome is caused with XXY genotype, and the main cause of this syndrome is XXY genotype. The genotype is said that with the union of XY of a disjunction or abnormal XY egg with a normal sperm, normal Y sperm, XX egg with a normal Y sperm, or sometimes a normal egg X with an abnormal X sperm. Though there is the excess of one chromosome, that is instead of 46 there are 47, that is 2n plus 1. The excess of this chromosome creates that it becomes abnormal. That is instead of 46 chromosomes there remains and 47, that is 2n plus 1. As you already know that the normal pairs of chromosomes are 46, so there is trisomy, that is XX and Y genotype. Now what are the symptoms of this? Symptoms क्या होते हैं इस ऐसे पेशेंट में जो जिसका Klinefelter syndrome होता है, इसमें क्या symptoms होते हैं? The individual having Klinefelter syndrome is a sterile male with small testes, long legs, obesity, broad obesity, sparse body hair, and female characters like breasts, and some other female related characters. the intelligence is normal, लेकिन जब एक्सेस हो जाता है यानी ग्रेटर एक्स क्रोमोसोम हो जाता है तो डिफेक्ट, मेंटल डिफेक्ट वो बढ़ जाता है. द मेंटल डिफेक्ट increases. That is, these are the symptoms which are found in an individual having Klinefelter's syndrome. Now, incidence, अगर हम incidence की बात करेंगे, incidence क्या होते हैं? Among 2000 births, अगर 2000 births हो जाए तो एक का चांसेस होता है इसमें Klinefelter's syndrome में. These are the introduction, causes, discovery and the symptoms of an individual having Klinefelter's syndrome. Thank you.